The Who with Baba O'Reilly. That's what we got on today's agenda. And how are we arriving at this one, Sam?
This one is a members pick.
The members picked this one. Seemed like The Who was a good spot to come back to at some point, and they led us here in this direction. And Baba O'Reilly, interesting name. Apparently, it's a combination of a composer mixed with a spiritual guide of sorts.
Yes.
And that's how the name came to be, influences on Pete Townsend. And clearly, The Who are renowned for their ferocity of their performances, because we've experienced that thus far. But this song here is also pretty renowned and looked upon as one of the greatest rock songs of all time.
That's high praise.
That's what we've read anyways. We'll be the judge of that. And
yeah, it went to number 5 on the UK singles chart.
It did. And it went to number 1, the album, in the UK. And it went to number 4 in the US.
Yeah.
So big album here with Who's Next. And like I said, we love The Who. So entertaining. I mean, they obviously do, great on the music
I love
side,
Keith Moon with his headband. It just bangs on the drums.
They definitely have their own personalities. That's for sure. So big shout out to the members. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting us. And if you're not a member, it's cool. We like you too. If you're a subscriber, we like you. If you're not a subscriber, because that's 85% of you that keep hanging out with us.
Go hit the button.
You don't subscribe. Come on, get on the wagon. Let's go. We got to keep it going here, right?
Come join the community.
All right, enough about us. Let's get into The Who. You ready?
Yes.
Apparently we are going to get the performance. I think he likes the intro. Don't do it again. These guys are wild. Absolutely wild.
I love them.
He's doing the thing with the microphone again. It gave me anxiety last time. I was worried it was going into the audience.
He's just banging the...
Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen anybody play the tambourine with their fists before.
So aggressive and just beating on the drums.
Meanwhile, the bassist is just like chilling. Yeah. I'm shredding. Don't worry, you guys.
Right from the beginning, though, I knew it was going to be aggressive from the way that he can't just like let out that scream. I was like, oh, here we go.
So do you recognize it at all?
I do, yes. Do you?
I recognize like as an intro for sports arenas. When they play it or an intro to anything, really. I mean, I guess that's why it's partly renowned for that, because the intro is so popular and used, right?
Yeah.
As soon as it started playing, I was like, wait a second. This is what they played for, intro when you go to a basketball game or a hockey game or something like that, right?
So I recognize it from that. And then even when he started singing, I even recognized that part, like not super familiar with it, but just slight recognition, I think from like a movie, like in the background of movies or something.
Yeah. All right, let's keep it going.
dance moves.
Psycho.
Woo!
Got to tape this time.
I think it's tape. His arm's gonna break off.
Harmonica.
This guy's full of energy.
They're not going to break the guitar in this one because they're going to need it for the next song.
Yeah, holy crap. This guy's got a lot of energy.
Yeah, I need to know what kind of drugs they're
I
taking.
was going to say, whatever he's on, I want some of that because...
I don't know if you do, Sam. But they clearly weren't lacking in the performance stage presence.
Yeah. Whew, definitely kept me entertained, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I feel like the sound of the song changed a lot too from the beginning to the middle portion to the end. It was kind of a cool, creative composition.
Yeah, this is definitely more of a visual experience. Obviously, we didn't get the high quality audio experience on this one. But I mean, it's kind of hard to turn down the visuals that you get from these guys. Really insane. I mean, it's wild too because like you have the two of them that are really at the forefront, but then you have Keith in the back and he's got like duct tape on his head.
Keep him on. Probably because if he doesn't, because he moves around so much, they'd slide
Clearly.
off. Well, I've seen him before, like I said in the beginning, I've seen him put a headband over them in the past, but maybe he forgot his headband, so he had to tape him up.
Maybe that's just the style he was going with on this one.
Maybe.
Anyways, that was Baba O'Reilly. Obviously, you hear Teenage Wasteland throughout, but no affinity to the title there. I think that we were reading people call it that, or they were calling it that for a while. But Baba O'Reilly, picked by the members. Let us know if they did a good job by hitting the comment section down below. Sam, any closing thoughts?
I thought it was cool to check it out and to see more from them. We haven't done The Who in a while now, so cool to come back. So thank you, members. And if you like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and have a great day.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video.